What's up, guys? This is your boy, Market Director. I'm back again. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment on this video. What do you think? What do you see based on your analysis? Please don't forget to share with us. Now I have Eurchf. Remember that one on our strategy we use R, C, and R. The market have to complete the formula all the time. So once we are coming from the R zone, we have to go through C zone and then until R zone. I know someone doesn't understand, but don't worry. Make sure that you subscribe until we upload the video where we will be explaining our strategy part 1 until part 13. So now let's focus on the current situation. As you can check now on the market, we have a bullish continuation pattern that we are waiting for the resistance of this current correction to be broken so that we can complete our R zone. Remember that once we are coming from this R zone, we have to go to C and R. This is our C section continuation zone where the market has to give us our second possible entry for us to enter. But now let's go on the lower time frame and see if whatever that we see on the higher time frame is valid or what. So when you go to lower time frame, you will see that the market has been completed the support of the current correction. So we still have to complete the support of the current correction before we can say now we are about to go up or we are about to buy. That's what we are waiting for. As you can check here, we are still waiting for the market to come to the support, and that's where the market can buy, right? So as a trader, you have to be reactive. Remember, number one, that's rule number one. You don't have to force the market. You have to wait for the market to give you possible opportunities. If it was me or my student at BA, we're not going to sell. We're going to buy. We're going to wait for the market to come to this support here. And then once the market gives us a reversal, something like a V or something like a correction towards this area like this, then that's what we're going to do, and then impulse to the upside to touch the resistance, right? So correction on the support and then impulse to complete the RCR so that we can complete whatever the setup that we have on the higher time.